In the last lesson, we learned how to count 1 to 100, and we also learned how to write the numbers from 1 to 100. In this lesson, we are going to learn about place values. So let's go back down here, and we have 100. And this 100 number is made up of how many digits? 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. The first digit is 0, the second digit is 0, and then the third digit is 1. So 3 digits total. So we have 3 digits number. Okay? And that's the number 100. Now let's go back and learn about place values. So let's write a number 100. 100. When you look at this, this has 3 digits. Well, starting from all the way to the right, the very first digit, this is your ones. What is ones? Well, remember we count the box, 1 box at a time. So think of the ones like 1 box. Okay? Then, after the ones, we have something called the tens. Okay? And this is the tens. So the second digit to the right is always the tens. So what does the word tens mean? Well, 10, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And notice how this whole entire thing represents 10. So I'm gonna draw that. So this is the tens. So one of this whole entire thing equal to 10 little box. That's why we call it tens. And that's the tens place. And then we have the third digit to the right. And this third digit represents hundreds. So what is a hundred? Well, if we zoom out, look at this. If we zoom out, this whole entire thing right here is equal to 100. And therefore, it's equal to hundreds. And that is the place values of a number with 3 digits. So let's use our place values to count the number faster. It takes us forever to count one by one all the way to hundreds, right? But what if we can combine tens and 1 together to count all the way to a number that we would like? For example, let's count all the way to what? 53. How about that? What does that tell you about 53? Well, look at the first digit. That tells there are 3 of ones. Okay? So what would that look like? Well, we would have this 3 of ones. Then what does the 5 represent? This 5 right here tell us, remember this is the tens place, okay? And that tells us there are 5 of tens. So if there are 5 of tens, how many of this do we need? Of course there are 5 of them. So we have 1, we have 2 here, we have 3 here, and we have 4 here, and lastly we have 5. So there you go. This represents 5 of tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this represents 3 of ones. 1, 2, 3. So over here, if we count this, 110, another 110, another 110, another 110, and another 110. So 110, 210, 310, 410, 510. So that tells you we have a number 5. 50, 510. Right there. And over here we have 1, 2, 3. So combine them together, what do we have? If we take 3 and 50, we would have a total of 53.